Hello everyone, hello everyone. Give me a second please. Thank you for joining my live stream. Sorry for missing for so long. We have a big or small or regular problem for American apartment building. Our apartment building was water flooded. We received the huge water damage, and we're solving all this problem, and we don't have opportunity to use my video gear, my live stream gear. So I was doing the live streams on the Telegram channel. So you can find all links on our channels in description. First of all, I will ask you to put plus if the quality of image and sound is good, and we can start analyzing our chart. Please let me know in the comments, in the chat. I want to see your plus signs, and we will start. Also, I will really appreciate your support, your follow, your likes, your comments if you're watching this video after the live stream. Plus. Okay, I see. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let's go straight to discussion. So I'm doing everyday live streams for my Ukrainian audience, and I'm doing this for 4 months in the row. And every day we're trying to discuss the market. We're trying to find long, short position. We're trying to discuss what they try to show us, what they try to tell us, how they manipulate the price. And also we looking at the market through the chart with the help of our indicator, our algorithm. And every day I'm trying to find long and short position. And also I'm telling people about what I think is gonna happen next. For those of you who's been following me and following our social media for probably 5 or 6 months, you knew how we predict the price, how we predict every huge drop, correction, dip, call it as you wish, and every huge movement, every huge pump of Bitcoin, and of course all crypto market. So if you followed me, for example, from September or October, you already saw how I overthink the situation with the election in the United States, and you probably saw how I was telling to everyone in this world, in this city, in this country, and also in all other followers from all over the world, that please open the hugest, the biggest long positions. The biggest buy point will be 4th of November, weeks and months before it happened. And I opened few short position at the same time, because I was thinking that probably they will do something crazy with the election, and we will see the huge candle down, and then we will go up. But I'm trying to never close my position in the losses. That's why I'm using the strict and direct risk management. And as I said to you on the Telegram channel, please let me know in the comments below. What do you want to know more about trading, about trading technique, about risk management, about how to open, how to close your position, how to put stop profit losses, etc. So right now Bitcoin is $95,700, and something will happen with Bitcoin till tomorrow. And right now I'm in the long positions, which I opened earlier today, like probably 8 a.m. Los Angeles time zone, Pacific time zone. And right now all this long position, which I showed to my Ukrainian audience, are in profit. Yesterday and the day before I was opening a lot of short positions, but who cares about what was yesterday, months ago, 2 weeks ago, Everyone wants to know what's going to be in the future. Everyone wants to know what's going to be tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and especially everyone wants to know when to buy and sell your assets. So again and again, I will really appreciate if you put the like button, press the like button. Let's see how many. 37 likes and 140 people are watching our live stream. I'm here alone. I'm doing this, like all these camera movements, all these microphone, laptops, the system which helped me to operate everything. I'm doing this alone for you, for free. I remember like 2 weeks ago, I dropped the Venmo USDT address and said like, hey guys, who wants to help Ukrainian children, donate $10. $10. This is like what you giving me in return. And that was for the children. Yesterday I made the same for my Ukrainian audience, and I said like, the amount of money that you will donate, I will double and give it to the dog shelter. So there was like $250. That's crazy. So the less that you can do for me, just press the like button. I will refresh the page and we have less than half. That's for those who has no hands, like how to put this like, mama help me mama. I don't know what's happening with you, like, but it's okay. I will give this information for this particular 65 persons, and everyone else, like, do whatever you want. My job is to ask you about that. Give me a second. Okay. I will read this a little bit later. So let's talk about the Bitcoin. We will talk about the Bitcoin dominance, and also, as far as I understand, we will talk about some altcoins, because I'm not giving you any kind of financial advices. I'm just telling you and showing you what I'm gonna do next, what I'm doing now. And you doing the same or doing opposite things, like, it's your opinion, it's your deposit, it's your life, it's your losses, it's your profit. I'm just showing you what's gonna happen next. And as far as everyone knows, on our TikTok and the previous video on the YouTube, we've been telling people about the first week of February. We've been telling people that, hey guys, $105,000, it's really nice price, but the price will drop, and will drop significantly. And we hit $91,000 2nd of February. And also the exactly date was posted on the TikTok videos, also here in shorts, in my Instagram, in my new Instagram, in my old Instagram, in all Telegram groups, etc. So we've been telling people about the 2nd of February. The earliest date when we was telling about 2nd of February was 17th of January. For 17th of January, the price was on the Bitcoin somewhere here, yeah? $105,000. We're trying to catch every day all this movement, but from that date, from 31st of January, you see the bottom of this forecast filter, the peak of the forecast filter, I'm sorry for that. And here, the trading filter shows us like the price will go down. We tell people that we will go down. And I opened the short position here and I close it here. I opened it, it was huge, it was really good movement. Then, 2nd of February, I told to everyone, I just like, all I need to do, like, or all I can do more in that date is just to open your laptop, open your mobile phone, and open the long position and buy more for you. Because a lot of people, hey, this crazy guy, what did he know about the market? What did he know about the crypto, etc.? Nothing. But I opened 19 long position on the 2nd of February. and almost all community made a huge profit with me. But after that, something else happening. I'm showing like every day. For the last few days, I didn't post any kind of P&L screenshot because I'm tired of this. I think that this is like, who cares about my P&L? I already proved that our system works. So maybe sometimes I will do this, but I can show you way more how I spend my money. I can show you way more how I like opening position. Who cares about when and how big I will close the profit? If you know when I'm opening this position, when I'm scaling this position, when I'm like closing this position in the profit. So let's talk about the future, because the future are predictable. The future are the same as you opening the forecast on your mobile phone of the weather. For example, let's see what's gonna happen in the mid-Wilshire in the next couple of days. For today, we see that this is the shiny, sunny weather. 25 degrees will be, this is the Celsius because I'm not using the Fahrenheit, but it's gonna be like shiny, sunny weather for the next 4 days in the row, like 25, 26 Celsius degrees. But Thursday is cloudy, Saturday is cloudy, Sunday is cloudy. Yesterday there was the same forecast, but the Thursday was rainy. So it means that the people who invent the weather forecast in your car, on your watch, on your mobile phone, or inside of your laptop, or when you're watching the news at your apartment or at the gym, or whatever you listening the radio, it can be recalculated. So when we're giving you exactly the date of movement, sometimes it could be recalculated. That's why from now on I will give you plus minus 1 day, and you should consider to understand that I live in Los Angeles. This is UTC -8. This is not New York time zone. This is not Istanbul time zone. This is not Peking or whatever country or city you are living right now. So when I'm telling you that our chart shows us, for example, 24th of February, 8 a.m. Los Angeles time zone, it means that it could be 12, 4, 6, 7. How can we find this best date and best time for opening short position or closing and fixing our profit in long position? We need to look at the trading filter and wait until it goes up. So somewhere here we will open our short position. For example, let's see how it was on the history. You see that mark here. You see the prices here on the top. So if I'm gonna put the, for example, white line here on the 4-hour time frame, but some of you wouldn't open the short position on 98,600 because we go to 99,400 and you put all your money and this movement liquidate your deposit because you are like, who's there? Please open the door. Oh, nobody. So for those of you who don't give a fuck about anything except like, I will make money, please spend some time. Try to understand that this is not the pharmacy, not the some kind of engineering. This is not some kind of, I'm trying to translate, like the doctor who's doing the heart operation. Операция. In Ukraine we say "Хуй пойми." I don't know how to translate it. My brain doesn't work right now. So this is not something like when you're trying to be the most accurate. This is fucking trading. All you need to know is the direction of the next movement. And then you opening long or short position, but you're not putting all your money in the one position. You're not putting like the huge leverage and 100% or even 10% of your profit in one position, because sometimes we can get this shadows. Why it's lagging? Okay, we can get these shadows on the candles, and it will just liquidate your position. So if we see the daily or 4-hour or 1-hour time frame, and we would like to catch the best movement, like that movement, for example, that movement, we need to find on the lower time frame the same thing. So take a look at this, how it looks on the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame shows us that the first green point, like sell here, the price is 98,600. 1 hour showing us the same, take a look at this, the same peak here. So open short position here. But on the 1 hour time frame, our prediction forecast model shows that we are still going up. And on the 4-hour time frame, we are still going up. So how to do that? Either you will open your short position here when it's the same with your trading model, or you're gonna open it here and close it here. Like if you open your position here, so close it when the filter are here in the lower part of the chart. Then you can open long position from here to here. I hope you understand what I'm telling to you, because this is the main reason why you're following us, because our system works, because our system predicting the price, because our system, even if it's recalculating the price, it's still showing us what's gonna happen next. So I will delete this yellow mark because it was made like 21st of February on the Ukrainian live stream. You wasn't there, and I don't need to prove it to you, but I still has this huge yellow line which I put here 18th of February. And as I said, as I was thinking about, that the price till 24th will be somewhere higher than 100 or $105,000. This is something that I'm trying to figure out, where the price will stop. Because with the help of our forecast model, we know when the price will turn around. But still, if you're willing to get the higher high and the lower low, you need to know more. You need to sit in front of your laptop, in front of your chart, and analyze higher, lower time frames. Like, do your own research, or go and do your work and receive salary. So that's why, is there possibility or opportunity for the Bitcoin to hit $100,000 today or tomorrow? Is it possible to hit $105,000? Of course, because there is still too many stupid people in the world who believe like, oh, somebody hacked the Bybit exchange, that's why we drop. Okay. Oh, Trump posted something, that's why we drop. Oh yeah, okay, that's why we drop. Okay. I stick to this theory. So people still thinking that everything that you heard, read, or see in the news, it's like, oh, that's why. No, the price moves first, then they giving you some kind of news like, That's why you've been fucked. I'm not watching, following, reading, listening, or like whatever news. I don't care about that. How you can explain me that? I will show you. How you can explain that? Let me open the, I think this one, yeah. And let's go to our private group and find. So here it is, 21st of February. The Bybit hack attack is right at the time. Like, this is the news. Bybit was hacked and that's why the Ethereum dropped. But how you explain me this? We posted 15th of February, 15th of February. That the price will go up till 21st of February. So we made a post on the price let's do $2,700, that the price will go up till approximately 11 a.m. by New York time zone. In the group, we are posting New York time zone. So 11 a.m. on the 4-hour time frame, and I show you how to find the best selling point. And let's go back to Ethereum again and again. That was 15, where is 15? 15 of February. We said to people that you need to sell 21st, 8 a.m. It was in the Los Angeles, 11, 12, who cares, in New York. Again and again. Here it is, 21st of February, 11 a.m. in New York. So -3 hours, it's like 8 a.m. in Los Angeles. And what's happened next? The price from 2,700 goes. The first impulse was here, 28. It's still movement. It doesn't mean that the price should hit $4,000 or $15,000, like a lot of people believe in this, but still, it goes higher. And then we hit 28,500 and drop. On the 4-hour time frame, like here, 4-hour time frame, it looks, just wait and find the place where the yellow line will be at the top. So take a look at this. Where was the yellow line at the top? You see that? You see that? This is still 21st of February. If we going on the lower time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, where was the top? Here. So that mark is 4-hour sell. Looks on the 4-hour time frame, that candle on the 1-hour time frame, the more accurate time frame, it's here. And someone said like, oh, we've been robbed. You know, there is some kind of Russian mafia, probably. By the way, who doesn't know, I'm the partner of the Bybit as the influencer, and you can find the referral link in the bio. But I want to tell you one thing, like yesterday they dropped the news in the private channels for the huge influencers with the communities that we are starting the bounty hunting campaign for those who rob us. And yesterday with Ukrainians, I was thinking about, so we all believe that this movement was only just because someone withdrew the Ethereum from the Bybit. It wasn't even selling Ethereum, they just send it from the one wallet to another wallet. So why the fuck the price drops? Explain me that. Like, there is some fundamental things in this world, in all this teaching, lesson, learning courses, like, okay, the price moves by the technical analysis, so we are in the rectangle, triangle, and we are going like the arrow will be here, and if we'll break through, yes, the breakthrough will be here, then we're going up. If the breakthrough will be here in the support level, then we're going down. The only down in this theory why the hell the price will drop if someone just sent in money? And how we predict this here, 6 days before it happened. Anyone? Okay, you, Antonio, tell me please. I'm joking. I don't have time to reading your comments right now because we need to go further. We need to do it faster because after that live stream I need to go to the Rodeo Drive with the sign and telling people when to buy, when to sell. So, we're doing this every day with a lot of assets. Our system works with every chart on the market, and we're trying to show people how and when the price will drop. So, let's go back to the Bitcoin. I want to let you know that on those live streams, I'm not trying to look at the 4-hour time frame. I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame most of the time, but also we have the daily time frame, weekly time frame, etc. Like every time frame, even the second time frame. So I want to show you the whole picture about what I'm telling you every time when I'm starting the live stream. So I want you to just remember this crazy Ukrainian guy who's been telling you that the Bitcoin will be lower than $60,000 in 2026. Yes, Bitcoin could even hit $25,000 in 2026. The end of 2026, December or November, or even the beginning of January 2027, I don't care about that right now. Because before that, I will open the thousands of trades. So at the end of 2026, the price of Bitcoin will drop to $60,000, $50,000, $40,000, $30,000, even $25,000. But let's think about it. Let's talk about it. So in my opinion, for the next 2 weeks until 11th of March, today is 23rd of February, so probably from tomorrow or day after tomorrow, 24th, 25th of February, the price will go down. And the first buying date, I wish, I truly believe, I'm begging you, God, please let it be the last buying dates for Bitcoin and all crypto market. Please, I tired to buy more. Please. I want Lamborghini. I want to buy back my Adam RPG. Please. Just want to take a look how many likes you put. It was 65, it's 104. What's wrong with you people? For those of you who wouldn't put the like on this video, your mom will die. That's it. Maybe even tomorrow. Yeah, I knew that. That's not my fault. If your mom will die, just fuck. Why I didn't press the like button on the Andrew's video? He tried to show me how can I make some money. Yes. Let's check. Okay, 6 people, you saved your mom lives. Everyone else, I don't know what's gonna happen. You know, it's a tough world. Sometimes mom dies. Yeah, so let's go further. In my opinion, from 24th till 1st of March, we will go down. Then we will bounce back till 3rd or 5th of March. So here, 3rd, 6th. Then we will drop again. The 9, 10, 11 of March, I hope, I wish, I truly believe this is going to be the last buying date. For those of you who's been telling me like in the comments about, hey dude, you was telling me that the best day was in January, February, March, April, May. Like I'm telling this like every month. And every month we're giving people opportunity and information when to buy for the lowest price. So if you have $100 and you're willing to buy something for $100,000 for Bitcoin, we're giving you the date when you will receive 10% discount. For example, yesterday I ordered something for me with 26% discount from Amazon. That's good for me, that's good for my family. Everyone loves discounts. So we're giving you the dates when it's gonna be like the Black Friday on the market. So just remember, even if you didn't watch all my previous videos, just try to hold on with all your buying just don't buy until 1st and 10th of March. If this fall will stop 28, if it's gonna stop 1st, 2nd, I will try to give you that information. That's why you should follow our Telegram channel and our TikTok channel, because I'm posting way more on the TikTok. But what do we see right now? Our 4-hour time frame showing us that we are going up. That's why I opened at 8 a.m. few long positions. Because we need to wait while that filter goes up and turn around something like that. Or it could do something like that. And it means that we need to stay tuned. We need to be prepared. But till tomorrow or day after tomorrow, the price could bounce back. Where the first is 96,600. The second one is 98,500. If it's not enough, then just 101, 102, $105,000. Until the end of March, or let's do that, until 15th of March, we wouldn't see Bitcoin higher than $105,000. This is my opinion. So that's why I've been showing you like what could possibly happen with the price of the Bitcoin. And I know this is a little bit dirty chart. Let's open that one. No, not this. Not that. Okay, this one is way more. So I was thinking way before it happens, like all this drawings was made like maybe in the middle of January. So, or it was made 8th of February from the beginning of that yellow line. So I'm still thinking that we will drop to $85,000, $88,000, $86,000 till the 10th of March. So let's put it back here. First, March. When we're trying to guess what price will be, that's What's happened with my brain after I come back from the Miami? I need to stop sucking dicks. Yes, that's how you call like this. I need to stop drinking coffee. I will never stop sucking dicks. I live in the Los Angeles. Everyone's sucking dick. No offense. No offense. This is just the humor. Oh my God. So I'm not trying to guess the price. I'm trying to guess the dates and the movement. So if we talk about the price will go lower, I think the price will go lower. So it still has possibility to hit $105,000, something like that, till tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But I do not believe in that. I really do not believe in that. I can't see that on the chart. So that's why I've been telling you like $96,000, $98,000, it's probably gonna be like the something, the point where you should consider to putting your limit orders in short. But Bitcoin will definitely gonna be here, $80,000, $77,000 in the next 2 weeks, maybe, yes. But let's stick to that chart when I'm trying to tell you that we will be here, whereas my limit order are placed in the long position, 88, 87, 86,000. So the things that I was telling you at the beginning about that the Bitcoin will be 40,000, 60,000, 20,000, that's gonna be in future. For today, for right now, I'm thinking that the price still could go higher till tomorrow. After that, we will drop, and probably we will drop lower than $90,000. So let's give us some kind of space for that trade and just stick to the dates. From 21st till 1st, we're going down. From 1st till 6th, we're going up. From 6th till 10th, we're going down. That's it. That's it for the Bitcoin. What about the Bitcoin dominance? I'm still thinking that we have a huge possibility to come back to 64, 66%, and after that we will drop. And probably, as I said to you, way more days before today, probably the first good profit we will fix at the beginning or middle of April. The next profit will be fixed the daily time frame. I need the daily time frame. The next profit will be in the June, and the last one will be probably somewhere in the October, November. So here it is. Here it is, and we will put the green line here. So in my opinion, we all should leave the market in October, November. This is going to be the last months for all crypto market. After that, we will see. Like it's too far away from now. It's like 10 months from now. It's 8 months, 9 months from now. So just think about it. Just put your phone in the notification. I'm always doing that. I'm putting notification for a few days or for a few weeks before. So if I'm gonna forget that, my phone will remind me that. So I have this notification almost for 1 year in a row. Queued the market in October, November 2025. That's it. Just fix part of your profit. Just put the stop losses. Just sell everything or do whatever you want. I don't know, like it's your life. It's your decisions. It's your money. But I'm gonna leave the market at the end of 2025. And I'm gonna come back maybe at the end of 2026. But why I shouldn't buy every dip and sell in every correction that we're gonna have in the whole 2026? I don't know. So that's why I'm thinking that the Bitcoin dominance till the, let's see on the 4-hour time frame. Till the 3rd of March or even till the 23rd of March. So we have 2 points here, yeah? Give me a second, please. I cannot listen to this audio message right now. Nick, if you're watching this video, I'll come back to you a little bit later because this is the live stream. So in my opinion, the Bitcoin dominance will go higher, and after that, when it's gonna drop, when it's gonna reach something like here, 54, 52, or even lower percent, somewhere here, we will have exactly the same profit rates for altcoins as we have in March 2024 and in November, December 2024. So if you're gonna go on any asset, March and November, December 2024, you will see these Burj Khalifa candles, X3, X5, X2 profit from the bottom. So when we gonna be here, but when we're gonna drop to 40%, that's when we will see X10, X20 for some assets. Not every asset will pump. All crypto market will give profit, but some assets will give you 20%, some assets will give you 200%. So we need to find those assets which give you more. That's why nice. Oh, okay, I need to delete this. The big yellow mark. How many moms will die tomorrow? Somebody's still gonna die. For those, like, I hope not my mom, because I like this. You know, if you like your mother, like this video, either she will... Oh my God. I'm a terrible person. You need to know that. Why I'm so pretty sure that the Bitcoin dominance after we reach 64 or 66%, like one more pump for dominance will go down. Just take a look at this trading model. As I show it to you before on other assets, we need to go down. Either we will go down at the end of March or at the end of October, at the beginning of November. So here is the point, and here is the point. I think that even if I'm not gonna see like X5 to my deposit in March, I still have a huge opportunity to fix all my profitable positions here in November. The only thing that I'm afraid, and I will use this video because I've been telling to people that's for the Bitcoin, this is the end of the cycle in December, January. The only thing that's frightening me is the weekly time frame of the Bitcoin. So you see that huge forecast. So right now the Bitcoin will go lower, I think. Give me a second, please. Maybe I will fix some part of my position. I'll listen to this later. Give me a second, please. Oh my God, I was in profit, but right now this position going down to la. Okay, give me a second. I will put the trigger stop on those positions and I will come back to them later because I'm doing okay, I will come back to them later. That's what looks terrible, that movement. I pretty sure that at the end of 2026 will be at the bottom. $20,000 or $40,000, I don't care about that. All I care about is the dates. So we're gonna have more information when we'll be there. But why I'm still buying and why I'm still holding assets, why I'm still believing that all market will have this last pump, because of that. You see that? That yellow line should go up. That yellow line should go up. That's why I'm pretty sure that we can fix our profits till the end of summer. And it's not so far away from today. But the daily time frame, I forget to tell you this and I forget to show you this on the Bitcoin. The daily time frame shows us that the price will go down. So for those of you who don't understand how it works, for those of you who's watching me for the first time, it's like, why this guy is so hateful? Why this guy is so meaningful, or he's like, why he's threatening my mother? I'm tired of stupid people. This is the first thing. I'm tired of all my haters. This is the second thing. And believe me, I'm doing this since 2016. I'm just started doing this in English. But there is a lot of people who are, how to say that, like, who live not the best life, but who think that my life could be way more better if I'm gonna listen to them. So I'm just trying to be more interesting for you and less straight, less even less helpful, because this is not some kind of like paying consultation, or you're not paying me for anything. This is just like podcast. I'm doing this, but there is no other opponent here. So I'm just doing content and I'm trying to show you how it works. But for those of you who don't understand how it works, I will explain you. The weekly time frame shows us that the price will go up. So in the long-term or middle-term investments, we are still in the bullish market and the price will go up. If we will try to catch some kind of swing trades, like from 1 day to 1 week or even 1 month, we will go on the lower time frame, on the daily time frame. And this time frame showing us that the price are still going down till the middle of March. So it means that the trading model and forecast model showing us that if you are in swing trades, just think about it to close your short position in the middle of March. If you're doing daily trading or even you scalping, move on the lower 4-hour or 1-hour time frame. And that time frame shows us that the price are still can go higher, but then it will drop. So that's why I'm trying to catch every move. And sometimes my daily trades turn into the swing trades. Sometimes my short-term investments or speculative trades on the spot turn into the long-term investments Yes, sometimes it's happening. I'm not trying to be like, hey, I'm always right. No. Even if the system are always right, I'm human. Can you put the music? I'm only human after all. So I'm only human and I could do mistakes. Today I woke up with that thoughts. Yesterday I woke up with that emotional. What's happening with you? I need the translator. So it depends. Я теж хочу шоколадку. Це український прикол. Ви, напевно, тут більшість з вас взагалі ніхуя не розуміє українською. Или если я буду говорить на русском. I will translate it. Like a lot of people who've been watching this video wouldn't understand Ukrainian, Russian. I even can speak French because I was learning it for 10 years. My brain thinking about other things. That's why this live stream is so long, and it's already like 1 hour, but I'm here for you. I'm trying to show you something, and I truly believe that these live streams are helpful for you. So 4 hour time frame going up, then we'll go down. The daily time frame, the more long, bigger time frame, will still going down till the middle of March. That's why I have two confirmation that you see the price going a little bit higher, that from 96.8, 98.3 or 101, $105,000, I will open short position. I can open short position right now because I'm using the risk management, but where is the screen? But the middle of March, this is the buying point. The dominance, we talk about that. The Bitcoin market capitalization will go lower till the middle of March. The Bitcoin futures has the huge gap here. You see that gap here? So a lot of people will think about it. If we will go down today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, for the next 10 days in a row, we will go down. A lot of people will think about it. Oh, we're going to close that gap on the futures Bitcoin CME. No, I think that the price wouldn't reach that point, $80,000 before 10th of March. So in my opinion, we will go lower than $90,000, somewhere between $88,000, $85,000. Then everyone else will think about it. Oh, we will go lower. They will give you the perfect picture of the fundamental and the technical analysis on the chart, so you can draw your triangles. Or what are you doing? I don't give a fuck about that. So we will break through, we will go lower. Everyone can see that. And then somewhere here, like when the price will be, let's skip that. Let's skip that. Like when the price will be somewhere here. Everyone will think about it that the price will go lower than $80,000, so we need to close that gap. But the chart will show you dick, and the price will turn around. I will leave this drawing here because this is my opinion. And after that, from 1st of March till 6th of March, so let's price will be here till 03.1. And Oh my God, 03.6, okay, and then, so that means that after that, the price will go lower again. If it's not gonna happen, that's nothing bad, nothing serious, nothing like, oh my God, I'm sorry, my followers, the price go only to $80,000, not to $78,000. Oh my God, you was waiting for $106,000, but the price hit $104,000. I'm so sorry. No, I'm telling you the dates. This is like no one else doing that in the social media. No one else. So that's why I'm thinking that the chart will do the dig for people, for Wall Street traders, for your friend who's trading, or even for me, because again and again I'm human, I can do mistakes. But that we will definitely hit in the next few days. $87,000 on the BTC Futures, because you see here price is $94,000, but the Bitcoin price is, how can I do that? Let's try. Let's leave it like that. So I think that the price of the Bitcoin on the CME futures will go lower till maybe 6, maybe 10. This is the different. The USDT dominance, like how much money in cryptocurrency, like inside of Bitcoin, Ethereum, other altcoins, and how much money in USDT on the market. So it shows us that the USDT capitalization, USDT dominance will go higher. You see that 28 or first, 28 first. The next, take a look at this, middle of March. So that chart, the trading model shows us that the BTC USDT dominance will go higher. It means that people will sell their assets. It means that if the dominance of USDT going up, it's triggering the stop losses of other traders who are in the long position, or it's triggering the stop losses of those who are in the spot, who put all their, for example, here, let's do it something like that, who put all the stop losses, lower than this low, like it will trigger the stop losses here, here, maybe even here. And on each time frame we will have the same, like that low, that low. So that means that people, or not people, as I said to you at the beginning, I don't believe that sellers or buyers affecting the price. Maybe the small percent of the movement are with the help of buyers and sellers. But all these drawings of the chart, this is the manipulation. And that's why we're trying to predict this. Let's go further to the total. So we have those dates, exactly the same dates on the 4-hour time frame. Take a look at this. 28 and 9 of March. It means that the total market capitalization will go lower till the end of February or 10th of March. The total too, everything excluding the Bitcoin, the same dates, 28 and 10. The total 3, Everything excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. It shows us the 1st of March and 10th of March. So in my opinion, some assets like altcoins, meme coins, dick coins, whatever coins, even could go lower after Bitcoin will stop. Only just because, and I will explain you why, if we will go on the Bitcoin dominance, it will show us that from the 28th till 3rd, Bitcoin dominance are going up. It means if the Bitcoin dominance are going up, even if the Bitcoin are in the flat or given like the small correction, for example, for $100, for 0.1%, the altcoins are dumping. Only just because Bitcoin dominance. That's why when you're trying to analyze all these charts and put this to one short story, you will get the results of your tradings. I know that you want me to do these live streams for 10 minutes, so you will spend less time with your laptop and more time with your TikTok, with your family, with your horse, or whatever you're doing. Like, not with me. No, I'm the talking head. I like to talk a lot. So when we're going back to the total tree, we see that some assets will go lower till the 1st of March. If we go to others, this is the chart of 125 assets after top 10 cryptocurrencies on the coin market cap. It means that here is no USDT, USDC, stable coins. They are excluding. There is no Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, PEPE, whatever 10 coins are first. But the next 125 coins are in that chart. But there is more than 10,000 coins in the crypto market. So it means that that's not the whole crypto market, excluding top 10s. It's only 125 coins. So it shows us that we are going down till the 1st of March and 9th of March. So explain me, tell me, why should you, if you're willing to buy today for $96,000, $95,000, I don't know, like $98,000, $100,000, why you can't wait few more days? Just sit with your money. If you want to know my opinion, I will tell you my opinion. Right now, the all crypto market are giving you the huge opportunity to buy. Like the best price. Fuck, my friend. My friend been texting me, texting. So it's giving you the best price for any assets right now, any assets. But I'm trying to show you that there is going to be the way better price. So just hold it. A lot of people have been telling me like, hey, I was thinking when you're telling people that the best days for buying Bitcoin and other crypto assets will be 4th and 11th of November. Brr. So I was waiting until 11th of November and the price goes up, so I didn't buy anything. I was waiting. Just split your fucking deposit. Buy first, for example, split it on the 4 equal parts. Buy 28, buy first, buy 9, buy 10. That's it. Period. Easy peasy. Why you doing this to me, my friend? Why? There is a small story with my friend. When the war starts in Ukraine, I send my Maybach from Ukraine on the ship to New York, and I need to bring it to the person who has green card or passport. I pay all fees, I did all paperworks, I paid all taxes, but IRS didn't see those taxes since 2022. So I think they sent him some kind of letter. And I don't want to pay these taxes. Again, because I paid it. I have all these documents. I send it to IRS, but I need to read it. But I will read it after I finish this live stream. So that's why I just wait until the end of February and the 28th of February, 1st of March, 9, 10, 11 of March. That's it. Let's go further. Ethereum. The best buying points, and I truly believe that the Ethereum could go way more lower than 2000 in the next couple of days. So that's why just consider of buying Ethereum somewhere lower, the same as the Bitcoin and other crypto assets, the end of February, 10th of March. But you see that I truly believe that the price will be lower than $2,100 till the 10th of March. Let's go further. The Solana 4 hour, almost the same. But with the Solana, it's 25th and 2nd of March. But please remember, if the dominance of Bitcoin are high, the Solana will be triggered and will... why my are hurting? Maybe this is because I was joking about your mothers. Let's see how many likes. 165. Way more better. Thank you. Your mom. I removing this course. Alajamora. What's happening here? Tell me, please. I don't know. Why it's... Maybe I need to call the doctor? It will be funny if I'm gonna die in the live stream. It's really gonna be that funny. I need to stop drinking coffee. I'm drinking like for 5 cups in a day. Solana, 25th and 2nd of March. XRP. Right now I'm in long position with XRP, and it shows that buy today and buy 27, but I will still not giving you any kind of advice, but consider to buying Ripple 10th of March. So I'm in long position for right now, and you all saw all this movement. I was the only person on the TikTok who's telling like, hey, the Ripple will go down. And everyone like, Simpson predict the price, we are going up. Oh, I didn't show you the chart. So the chart is here. Let's come back to Solana. Solana is here. Take a look at this. The 25th and the 2nd of March, sorry for that. The XRP is 23rd and 10th. So right now I'm in the long position with the XRP. And I truly believe that it will do something like that. So maybe something like that will be, but the buying points today, 27, then the selling point is 3rd of March. Let's put it mark here, the red mark, then we will check it, because probably the next live stream will be 2nd or 3rd, like the next Sunday. And we will see if there is gonna be the dump. If not, that's fine with me. I will be in losses. Or even if the price will pump like hell, like oh my god, I still have my long positions and I still holding my spot. That's why I don't give a fuck about that. If we will go lower, I will buy more. If we will go higher, thank you very much, I will fix my profit, or I will do something with my deposit, my assets, or whatever. DOT, one of my favorite assets, and I don't give a fuck about what I'm like trying to show people here, but this is probably what's gonna happen on the daily time frame. We will go lower. We will go lower. I think we can even go lower than $3. Somewhere like 3.5 to 90. Like there is gonna be some kind of that zone for buying, but after that we will go higher, higher, higher. So I love this asset. Atom. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you the dates. So the dates for the DOT is 28 and 10s. The Atom, Cosmos, the same dates, 28 and 10s. The Compound, 27 and 6. ICP, this is not financial advice, but this is the good asset, the good altcoin. So the price will go lower till 26, 27 and 10th of March. The ZK Sync, I sold everything, but I will buy more 27 and 9 of March. If the Bitcoin will go lower and the Bitcoin dominance will go higher, the altcoins will drop way more than the Bitcoin. If the Bitcoin will go lower and the Bitcoin dominance will go lower as well, the altcoins will drop not so much as we wish. That means that you should stay on the market, you should watch the market, you should analyze the market, you should understand the market. What's next? The Optimism, 27 and 10s. Okay, we will put more. 27 and 10s. The Kusama, one of my followers said that he knew the guy who knew the guy who knew the guy who said to him that the Kusama will be listed on the Binance. So I bought this asset and I was holding these assets for the last couple of months. So if it's gonna happen, the price will pump. But just for your concern, 25th and 10th of March will be the good dates for buying Kusama. GLMR, the asset that has the huge opportunity to give you X10, X20. The same, but 3rd, 4th of March and 9th of March. Arbitrum, the good asset. The huge whales has this asset in their pocket, in their wallets, in their portfolio. So the next buying date will be 27 and 10th of March. ADA, Cardano. Give me a second, please. ADA Cardano, 25th and 10. Ton. American people, today I start this live stream to tell you one interesting thing. I have a friend who has a friend who told the friend to said to me 25.56722. Okay, I have small information from Tom Foundation that it will be way more popular here in the United States than it was a year ago. So just, this is not financial advice, but I will buy the big purse of ton 27 and 9 of February. I will do this. Think about it. Today I'm telling you that the price is 3.7 is the good price for buying ton, but it's going to be way more better at the end of February and 10th of March. So the last time when I'm giving people that kind of information, the insider information, it was November 2023, when the price of ton coin was $1.7 and it goes way to $8. Just think about it. The same with the GALA, the same with the ADA, the same with the ICP. Sometimes I'm receiving some kind of additional information from my friends, like, hello Andrew, you should buy this coin. So the ton coin is must have in your portfolio. 27 and 9 of March for GALA. Dogecoin. I have a friend from the New York. He bought the Dogecoin for 70 cents in 2021, and that was his biggest mistake, his biggest regret. And I'm trying to tell him when he asking me about, hey, what do you think about the Ethereum? What do you think about that? So I was telling him like, hey guys, that was the best returning date for your worst investment in your life. So he didn't sell anything, and that's fine with me. I was telling him like, just think about it to buy more. So from here, from the February till the May, till the end of the May, the Dogecoin, I think it will pump. So just wait until 1st and 9 of March. So the ton and the Dogecoin, think about it. You wouldn't regret. For those of you who's holding this asset, okay, hold it. It's way more better than to hold Solana. PEPE coin, the same situation. I was telling about the PEPE coin, about this huge drop to my friends who's investing in PEPE coin. You know, like some people investing in Starbucks because they drinking the coffee from Starbucks. Some people investing in Louis Vuitton Maillot Chandon because they wearing the bags or drinking the champagne. Some people investing in Tesla because they drive in Tesla, or because they just know that the Elon Musk doing some kind of good cars. Some people investing in S&P 500 because they understand how it works. But some people investing, I'm telling you about the investments in PEPE coin. That's not something that I will invest, but this is the good opportunity for you to buy PEPE coin 1st and 10th of March and hold it, take a look at this, till summer. That's it. I will cut this part from that live stream where I'm telling you, just buy in March, sell in summer, and send me a good bottle of wine. That's it. Hello, Andrew. Sometimes I'm receiving like messages and calls from people, and I'm like trying to ignore them after. Like, please help me. I have that position. I have this position. I have that losses. I call in my friends. I'm calling my traders. I'm calling my partners. We're trying to analyze their trades, and like we're trying to help people with non-financial advices. And after that, they telling me like, hey, I will send you money for that. when I'm gonna fix my profit, when I'm gonna do something like, and almost all the time, like 99% from 100, no one's sending nothing except like, thank you for your time. That's why I'm ignoring a lot of people. And if you texted me in the Telegram and I'm not answering your questions or your messages, why? We are not friends. We are not like, we are nobody to each other. Just from tomorrow, I'm not drinking wine for the next couple of months, so I don't need your wine, but why I should answer, why should I spend more time that I'm spending on that live stream? So let's go further. So PEPE, the beginning and like the first 10 days of March, let's say something like that. This is for the PEPE coin, and then it will go up. I know that probably, okay, let's do this today, because we didn't do this. Oh my God, what's happening with the Tesla? Oh my God. So the Tesla will go lower. You see that mark here? Oh, I know. I sent this mark to the guy about whom I'm talking right now. I'm not answering his messages, and don't be mad at me. Why should I? I sent this date to that guy that the price will go lower till the middle of February and then it will bounce back. So that was the perfect buying point for the Tesla, the perfect buying point. But if we're talking about the 4-hour time frame, the price of Tesla will go higher till the end of April. Just let's put the red mark here. Till the end of April we will go higher, but we will do that movement. So I think that till the end of months they will tell us in the news, like maybe something will happen with Ukraine, with Russia, with China, with I don't know. I don't care. But the price will go lower, then it will bounce back. So just think about it to do something like that. That's what's gonna happen with the Tesla. If we're talking about the S&P 500, you see that peak, the best point for selling is here, like few candles before, something like that. That's how it works. But if you're looking for the buying point, that's 13th of March and 14th of April. Nasdaq, the same, 2nd of March, 10th of March, and 25th of March. Oh my God, what's happening with the market? Oh my God. The last time when I was watching the Nasdaq, I was putting all these marks. Take a look at this trigger, like here and going up. Oh my God, this is so fucking perfect. Right now it will turn around. Just remember, like from right now, the price will turn around and we will, I can move this here, come back here. My concierge texting me. Hello, comma, please send him up. The price will come back here. And after that, at the beginning of March, I think we will drop somewhere, oh my God, that should be the huge drop, even way more. Oh, I think we will be somewhere here, or even somewhere here. Yeah, but from right now, from today, I think, oh, so the market was opened. Okay, I totally understand. The China did something. Who knows the news? What they will tell you, like what happened right now, a few hours ago, when China woke up. I don't give a fuck about this news. Just That's for you. So in my opinion, the price will do something like that in the next couple of days. Something like that. But let's go further. I love what I'm doing. I love it. Oh my God, take a look at this. That buying point, you see how it works, like that and that. I almost don't give a fuck about the stock market because I'm still not investing in the stock market, but my brother investing in the stock market, and I'm always telling him, hey, let's check this, that asset. He don't want it, but it's fine with me. So just if you want to buy NVIDIA, just wait until 13th of March, and then you will have 2 more dates. So I think that the price will do something like that. Give me a second, I will open the apartment. Заходи, только у меня еще этот стрим, окей? Я сейчас закончу скоро уже. Хочешь, проходи, там есть кола, там есть камбуча. So, in my opinion, the price will go higher, even maybe way more higher from that point, somewhere, something like that. We will do that. We'll do, okay, thank you. So, after that, the price will drop even lower. I think that give me a daily time frame. We will see price somewhere here again, I think even here, but after that yeah, I think that the price will do something like that. Yeah, even on the daily time frame. So the best buying point will be in May for NVIDIA. Or just buy right now, today, tomorrow, 13th of March. Like, I don't care. Let's put it here and let's go on the 4-hour time frame with the Netflix. I think that the Netflix will do something like that. Let's go to the Microsoft. We will go lower, but then lower, higher, something like that we will do. I wouldn't do any kind of analysis for those assets. I don't care about them. But if you're willing to buy something like or invest in Microsoft, this is not financial advice. Just think about the beginning of April and the middle of June. Meta, the same. Let's put it here. So it's like 6th of March, 4th of April, and 5th of May. The price, what will do the price right now? It will bounce back here and go down. That's it. It will bounce back and will go down. The dollar. Take a look at this. So you see 28. The dollar, what will dollar will do? From tomorrow or day after tomorrow, the dollar will go up. It means that the risky assets like crypto will go down. Then it will go lower and will go up again. And what's the dates when it will going up? The same. 27, 28, and 10th, 11. The dollar goes up, the crypto goes down. Think about it. Amazon. Selling, buying. If you're willing to buy Amazon, we probably should do this way more often for you if you're gonna like these videos. So here it is. Just make a screenshot or do whatever you want. This is way than enough information for you, my friends. And we have a few more dates here, like 6th of May, but That's way than enough. We will check how it works. Apple. You see how the price going up, So I will consider of selling. No, let's not talk about selling something. Let's buy more. Beginning of April, beginning of May. And the Trump, the last thing. Oh, we have enough information for the 4-hour time frame. So if you're willing to buy Trump coin, just wait until the beginning of March or 10th of March. That's it. That's it for today. That's it, my friends. I don't want to be offensive. I don't want to make you sad or to give you some kind of false information. I'm not giving any kind of financial or non-financial advices. I'm just telling you and showing you what our algorithm shows. If you want to get access to our algorithm, it's not free. The private group, it's not free. All money go into Ukrainian team, which are in Ukraine, to developer of algorithm. You sending all money them, and they giving you access to algorithm. So if you wanna get access to that algorithm and analyze any kind of asset with any time frame, just find the link in description and text us and we will do this for you. So thank you very much. I'm waiting for your subscription. I'm waiting for your comments. I'm waiting for everything except hateful speech, because I hate haters. Thank you very much. Take care. Till the next Sunday. But every day I'm posting a lot of